Oy, post mo na. Ano, ikakat mo na lang yun? Hello po sa mga manunood. Ako po si Dear Mommy. Ang ating topic today is about lash lift with tint. Simulan na natin step by step.
Before we start, I'm Prox. I'm gonna be doing the voiceover since the background noise is unbearable. Also, before we start, I'll be showing the things that you'll need for this tutorial. You'll need an eyelash lifting kit, Q-tips, eyelid pads, lower eye pads, spoolie, and toothpicks. This is the kit that we used: micropore tape, eyebrow, and eyelash dye. First step, we have to cleanse the eyelashes to remove the excess oils. Step number 2, put the eye pads on the lower eyelashes to prevent it from sticking to the upper eyelashes. But if you don't have the under eye pad, you can use micropore tape as an alternative. Step number 3, choose the size of the eyelash pad. Apply the glue on it, then stick it on the upper eyelid. Same procedure on the other side. Apply glue on top of the eyelash pad, then use a toothpick to arrange and brush the eyelashes. Make sure to arrange the eyelashes perfectly because it will be the outcome after. After properly arranging the eyelashes, apply perm number 1 and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on the eyelash's thickness. If the eyelashes are thin, soak it for only 10 to 15 minutes. Note that do not apply the product close to the waterline. Place the cling wrap on top to avoid the product from drying. After you remove perm number 1, using the Q-tips, apply fixation number 2, then leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the cling wrap and fixation number 2 using the Q-tip and apply the lash tint and leave it for 15 minutes. Note that you don't have to apply cling wrap over it. Remove the excess lash tint using the Q-tip. After using the Q-tip, grab a cotton ball and soak it on warm water. Then wipe it over the eyelashes to remove all the excess lash tint. Apply nutrition to the eyelashes to prevent damaging from the chemicals. Brush the eyelashes with a spoolie to prevent from sticking to one another. And this is the final result of our lash lift with tint tutorial.
It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside.